Hey guys, it's Miss Shelby. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys to watch for the rest of the week. I put on Class Dojo to your all's parents that I would create a video for you all to watch over your math. But I have noticed we are having some trouble with our math lessons on Moby Max. I think a lot of the reason we're having trouble is Moby Max doesn't necessarily like some lessons, it doesn't give you the background knowledge that you need to do to complete the lesson. It just kind of gives you some charts and kind of assumes that you already know. So that's why for Tuesday on, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I am going to be giving you guys Zern lessons. Now, we are still going to have our fourth grade challenge, and I will actually take you guys to Class Dojo to show you the picture of what we have. We're still going to have our fourth grade math challenge, and that's going to be test prep, how many minutes you can get on test prep. So let me kind of show you all the video, or I'm sorry, the poster that we put. So the weekly challenge, we're going to do pie in the face. So most Moby math test prep minutes. And then Miss Sam's going to do most units passed on Lexia. We're also going to throw in kind of a surprise. So at the end of the week, that's our challenge, and that's my challenge for math. I want you guys to also put in some minutes on test prep, and the winner is we're going to do a pie in the face, and then we are also going to have a surprise. We're kind of getting some things together, and so work hard on that. Now, we have not logged into Zern in a while. So I'm going to show you guys what I've done. I have moved everybody, and I'm going to log in as a student right now. I always use our lane. So I'm logging in as a student. I want to show you how it looks to pass a Zern lesson, because when we were doing Zern, this was kind of our number one problem. So this is Lane's Zern account. He is on the second mission. Now, you guys are probably going to be like, well, Miss Shelby, we didn't even finish the first mission. I know. We're not going to worry about that right now, but we are going to be doing mission 2, and you're going to be doing lesson 1. So if you're ever confused, if you're done with a lesson or what lesson you're on, you can go to my stuff. So I'm going to go back to next up. And in this, you're going to have to do these. Oh, that's really cool. That's a new one. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're on lesson 1, and you're going to be working on the number gem. You have to get through all 4 of these to finish lesson 1, not just number gem. You have to finish all of number gem, and you have to finish all of this one, all of this one, and all of this one. Okay, so this is the Tower of Power. Once you finish the Tower of Power, you're done with that lesson. So let me go back to Tuesday, what I put for Tuesday. I'm going to change your workload for this week. I asked you guys to please read. It says, I know that we haven't been on Zern in quite some time, but we are going to use Zern to do our metric measurement lessons. I love the way Zern takes you through videos and explains how to find smaller and larger units. Moby Max did not do that for us yesterday. So starting today, we are going to do the 5 lessons that Zern has for metric measurement. We will not get all 5 done today. We are going to do 1 lesson at a time. So for Tuesday, and it says Zern, Mission 2, Measure and Solve, Lesson 1, Same Distance, New Units. And that's exactly what it's called. Same Distance, New Units. When all of you guys log on, it should say that up there. Okay. It says after you complete the lesson on Zern, we are still going to have our Moby Max challenge this week for the most minutes on math, test prep, and review. I will not set a time limit, but I challenge you guys to get extra time on test prep. It will help you all so much. So I give you guys the link for Zern and the link for Clever to log on to test prep. Now, my challenge is to get the most minutes. Remember, test prep only counts working minutes. So when I say you need to get the most minutes and say you set a 30-minute timer, you need to make sure that you're working for those 30 minutes. And if you want to get the most minutes, I would just stay on there as much as free time as you have. That worked for Lexia with Miss Sam. She even had to change it to units. So hopefully, if everybody remembers their Zern password and username, if you don't, reach out to me. You guys can reach out to me by going to your Gmail and starting a GChat, or you can send me an email. I have some people who sent me an email. You can go to Hangouts right here, and that's kind of how you start it. So say I wanted to add somebody, I wanted to talk to somebody, I would just click on that person, like say I wanted to talk to Miss Noblet, and then there it is. I can just send her a message, whatever I need to do. Okay, so if you don't remember your Zern username and password, let me know and I can get that to you quickly. Again, guys, we're still doing the challenge. We're going to change up what we're doing for the rest of the week, but hopefully this will be a lot better. Last thing on Zern, do not go ahead of the video. I know that sometimes the videos can be long. They can be probably maybe not the most interesting. I think Zern is more interesting than Moby Max. But if you go ahead of the video on Math Chat just to get done quick, you are not going to learn what Zern is trying to teach you. Okay? So Math Chat is kind of like when I get up and teach in front of the class, and then Tower of Power is like when I give you guys practice. I give you practice sheets, or, we practice together. So you have to watch the videos and you have to do what it says. You can't skip through it, or you are going to have questions and you are not going to know what to do. So just be careful with that. I'm going to go ahead and change some of our assignments for this week. We still are having our math test prep challenge, most minutes. So I'm going to get on there and I'm going to look from Monday until midnight on Friday to see who gets that surprise and who gets the glory of, me getting a pie in the face. All right, guys. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. I know this video is going to be long, but I want you to watch it all. Okay. I love you guys. I know that you guys are going to do awesome. I miss you guys every day.